Hello everybody to Grainificent. In this channel I will be showing you how to do basic editing of your black and white scanned negatives in Lightroom. So when you get your scanned image into Lightroom, the first step we will do, of course, is set here correction instead of color to black and white. So the system knows that it's a black and white image, so that will be much easier. So when you got it set to black and white, you go into curves and make sure you got this gray circle marked. And in here, what we will do is get the blacks. We will raise them all the way up. And we'll take the whites and we will lower them all the way down. So as you see, we got our basic inversion already done. So now what we want to do, if you want to brighten it, you got to take the black side and you want to move it to the side to wherever your histogram, usually wherever your histogram starts, that's where you should move it, and the opposite side as well. If you have a further distance here to where your histogram ends, move this to that part as well, and you see that corrects the contrast much better. You could fine tune it as much as you like. You could do an inverted S-curve here, something like that. You see, you get your contrast even more better here. There's just a lot of things you could do in the curves over here. So as you see, our photo is starting to look much better. You could click this button over here, click that, go to the tone you want to raise or lower, like let's say the skin tones, and we want to raise them a bit. So those skin tones got raised. And let's say the blacks, we want to lower them, brighten them as well. So we click here and we got a photo that's basically as it should be. Turn this off. You could zoom in to your photo and play with sharpness a bit more if you like. Just remember, it will change how your grain looks. So you could play with different settings to see how much you want to sharpen it. And of course, if you took the photo of your negative using your camera, you should always mark the lens corrections so you don't have any barrel distortion or anything like that. And as you see, we got some dust spots over here. That's simple to erase. You just go into the healing tool over here. You click the healing tool. You change the size of the healing tool you want, and you click on it, and it finds a spot that's as similar to this, to the original, so you can heal it. And to get rid of seeing these, you just click on this healing tool again and it disappears. And as you see, those dust spots disappeared as well. So if you want to fine tune your image, you can play around with different sliders. So that's basic black and white negative editing. If you want to do anything else with it, you could play around and do anything you want with it with these sliders, but I would say with the curves, you could edit it enough however you want. So from here, you can just edit it like every other photo from every other tutorial, how to use masks and the different other corrections. So, and when you're done with the photo, of course, like always, you go into File, Export, choose where you want to export it, the quality, and you click Export, and you got the file exported. So, thank you for watching, my friends. Please remember to hit the like button, it helps out the channel a lot. And please remember to subscribe as well so you don't miss any amazing content. Thank you, my friends, and take care.